these are some of the 3D printed parts that I'm going to be using to support the bridge that's on either side of the Elizabeth City or Tulsa Union Depot. And I'll lift this off. Hopefully it won't fall over. This is the girder section. Does it look like a real bridge? Maybe, maybe not. I've got gluing surfaces on either end. And then those are girders. They're 8mm thick. And then there's a stiffener in the middle. Otherwise it'd be too flexible. The pencil marks, if you can see them on there, they're 4.5 inches apart. And that's 125 feet in scale, and that's, from what I could look up, that's what they used to use for some of the bridges back in the transition era. And then these are the bridge supports. It's got bridge shoes that I print separately that I keep in this. And it's just designed to kind of make it look more real. The supports, the verticals, are rectangular for this bridge, as you can see. Move the light down a little bit, and that's to kind of reflect the style that was there at the real Tulsa Union Depot. Okay, so now I put this up there on the shoes. Trying to do this with one hand while I'm holding the camera steady. Right there. So I will probably glue the girder support to the bottom of the ABS styrene, whatever you call it, plastic, ABS plastic that I have for the bridge that's out in the train building, because I'm back in my office. I'm printing some stuff right now, and I'm going to, as I try to kill myself with this truck. All right. I've kind of done a mock-up. This is 110 millimeters wide, and the truck should be in a lane. The sidewalk is 10 millimeters wide, and that's that soft foam, flexible foam. And then each of the lanes are 20 millimeters wide, all the way there. And this truck is just designed to kind of show you the distance. The concrete railing, I'm printing a bunch of them over there on that orange printer, not on my big printer, because that one can do those fairly well, close enough for, as we say, government work. And so this is what I've been working on the last several days. And so since I've got this mocked up now and I know where everything fits, then I can go ahead and continue to produce some of these. Each road will be 3 feet long, however many millimeters that is. I can't convert that right in my head, but, and to be 110 millimeters wide. I'm probably going to leave the roads and the bridging separate from the station, so I'll have to figure out how I'm going to do that. But this part I know will work now, so it's just a matter of producing the right items, such as these and the base, which will take me a while. So those the green items I print in the bigger machine over here. Hello. And the smaller machine over there can do the railings. And this time they're double-sided as opposed to the ones I have over in Union Station, which are only single-sided. So, but anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.